Nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than...
So good morning. We're surviving Vegas, y'all. It's day 2 and we're in the Uber on our way to the stove for brunch, and then we're probably going to go to Fremont Street after we leave here. So I guess you guys, I'll update you guys when we get to the restaurant. Just ease it in there. It's already open. Oh, shit. So I ordered the country fried chicken with a chipotle sauce and a biscuit and some bacon on the side. I also got some French toast on the side. All right, y'all. We came back from brunch and just took a quick shower so that we can start getting ready for the main event tonight, which is Usher. So I'm about to put my clothes on and get myself ready for that. Y'all, the Mandalay Bay is located right across the street from the airport. Like, that's literally where we landed. But it's gonna take you 15 minutes to get here in a car from the airport. We are finally headed to see Usher. Are y'all ready to see Usher?
Oh, yeah.
What's your favorite Usher song?
Yeah, I like You Got It. I like My Way. I like,
They call me USHERRAYMOND. Hey, baby, tell me what you want to do. Hello, hey. We are. Yes, like he gonna be right there, y'all.
Put it in the air right now. Feel the voice.
So you all, it's day 3 and we are heading to breakfast here in the hotel at the Sea Breeze. It's right here, y'all. Sea Breeze. The Usher concert last night was 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. If y'all are in Vegas, definitely go see Usher. Book your tickets and go see him. This day, April 20th, last night, April 29th was his last day until June. So he'll start some new dates up in June, and that's when he'll be back at the Park MGM at Dolby Live. Here's to a successful girls trip and many more to come. Cheers. So what do you have?
I have a chicken and waffle sandwich.
I got some breakfast potatoes, this French toast that looks so good, and just some bacon. You also got potatoes, sausage, look like 8 eggs and French toast. What do you have, Juana?
I have
It's some chicken sausage. Yum num.
If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
We have a ride to Fremont Street, and the music is loud, so I'm not going to talk because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Yes, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live.
Five moves ever, and I need your help. Can you join me on stage over here? What's your name, please? Chris, where are you from? Oregon. Chris, have you ever done a car trick before? You have? All right, perfect, man. Good. I need your help. Chris, I'm going to show you the color today. Lemon. All right, man. This is going to be good, Tom. You guys who made it to my show, get ready. We're about to bring a lemon to life right in front of your eyes. This will look like real magic out here. So here we go. I'm going to need some help. Can you help me out real quick? Right over here next to Tom. Can someone hold your stuff for you real quick? Right over here next to Tom. All right, teamwork, okay? Here. Guys, Tom picked the lemon today. For this to work, I know the street is crazy. This is it. We're going to catch it right here. This is it. You felt that, right? I know everyone saw that too. I'll take the bag. There's one thing in the world we're looking for. Let's see if we got it, Tom. Good.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried.
I think I'm going to try me the Lil Henny. It has octane, one shot of Hennessy. Alright, you guys, we are heading to the beach pool area here at our hotel, the Mandalay Bay Beach. The Daylight Beach Club is also located here, so we're gonna check it out. Heading to this Texas Brazil steakhouse. Let's see. It is. So for my first plate, I got a little Caesar salad and it smells like some lemon pepper chicken. Okay guys, our last day and on our way to the airport, we're stopping by the side